Start fresh with a new numerical page. Tap on the part name. New part. Numerical. There is at least 6 basic parameters you need to input to perform a bend. Those are punch selection, die selection, material thickness, seat length, degrees, and back gauge position. After that, turn the pump on, reference the machine, and perform a bend. With a protractor, measure the bending angle of the part you just bent, enter correction page, input the degrees of the part you just bent, 93s in this example, U1, U2 axis corrections applied, and at this point the machine is ready to reproduce this bend.